Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. So we have another unboxing to do. So this has been with me for I think probably a month or two already, but I didn't have a chance to do videos. I was just a little bit busy. So I'll open it up and we'll see what this one is. I'm sure it's something interesting. Here we go. Oh, uh, here, here we go. Let's see what they are. So yeah, I'm just a little bit busy, so didn't have the time to do videos and unboxings. Just a little bit of things to do at work and at home. So here we go. Just get it a little bit bigger. So see this one. So this one is a penny. An old penny. I think it's probably 1806. And it's too worn to see the date, but definitely it's either 1806 or 1807. Just too hard to see the date. I think it's been polished too. So here we go. All right, see this other polished one. Oh, this one is, I think it's a bit older. This one is probably a penny. Oh, it's also been countermarked. See, have a countermark letter B on the edge. And this one, I think this is the cartwheel penny, in which it's 1897 or 1797 to be exact. Although it's a bit faded, but I do have coins of this year, 1797. You'll see the big difference from 1806 coin, 1806, 1807, and you can see the edge is different. So I think yes, this is the cartwheel penny. As you can see, just too worn, and it was also shiny. But this one have a counter mark B. I don't know what that means. I rarely see well, I haven't seen the counter mark 1797 coin. 1797 UK 1 penny coin, and this one is yeah, the only one with the counter mark. See this one. So this one is an Irish coin. So you can see the harp, but again, it's very hard to see the date. I can see the date very hard. It's very hard to read as well. King George III, and this is an Irish one. See the Hibernia or the harp. Very hard to see the year. Probably need to magnify it using my Andon Star magnifier to see the thing, and we cannot clean it, otherwise the value will be ruined. Or the coin itself will be ruined. This one is yep, here we go. This is an 1807 1 penny. We can clearly see the thing below. 1807 or So 1806. Oh, come on. See, I'm wearing glasses, but it is still hard to see. Oh, it's 1806. 1806. This is an 1806 penny. It's too warm, very warm. See, not as warm as the other ones. Like this one is shiny without. This one is have. I think it's better not to clean really these coins. You lose the value and you lose the. Uh, you can't read the inscriptions. It's gonna be worn if you polish it. 1806. This one. Oh, okay. You can clearly see the uh, seated Britannia with the Union Jack. And this one is 1806. This one you can clearly see. King George the Third, 1806. And this is not a penny. This is a half penny. You can see the difference from the size. So this is the penny, and this one is the half penny. See, it differs in size. See, nice one. Very nice. So we have these three. So parting, Britannia. Oh, okay, wow. So is this 1806 or 1807 parting? I think it's also 1806. 1806, yes. It's very faded, but you can read it. Yeah, I think it's 1806. This is the parting. It have a nice, still nice for the age of it. 1806. You can see. So this is the parting. This is the half penny, and this is the 1 penny. See, penny, half penny, and then the parting. See the difference in sizes. They're all 1806. So nice one set. Very good. And see this one. This one is also an old one, seated Britannia. You'll see, very nice. Although I don't know if it's polished. Oh, this one is Victoria, Queen Victoria, and this is from 1843. Very nice. 1843 Queen Victoria. Still looks good, despite it's it's a bit worn, a little worn. Very nice. And one last one. This is another seated Britannia UK parting, and this one is also Queen Victoria, but the date is not readable. I can't read the date. It's very faded down below. Probably 1840s or 1850s as well. This is a parting, same as this one. You can see. Both are nice. Here you go. This is what we have for you today. Very nice. Although it's old worn, it's just pennies, half pennies, and the parting. But as we can see, they're all a part of history. Very nice. So please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. I have lots of it. So just check on my video or my playlist. So thank you very much. I hope you all have a very, very good day.